All right, from Cooper PD, we are leaving now to William Creek. We are going to get into the famous, iconic South Australia's track, Oodnadatta Track. So I had been wanting to do this since I bought this caravan and the truck. Now the time has come. So there is my caravan. I'm dropping the tire pressures to 30. So this is Stewart Highway. There is your road train. Another road train. Alright, couple of cars. Let me cross the Stewart Highway. It's 110 road. So I'm dropping the pressure to 25. 30 is probably too much, so I'm going to drop it to 25, the truck and the caravan. So the caravan's rear is actually 60 for the road. For the Silverado, its rear is 70 psi, front is 60 psi. So all of them I'm dropping to 25 psi. So this is the dirt road for the next 2 hours to go. Cooper PD is a very interesting place. Have a look at this. What is this? That's a hard helmet on a dead tree. Oh no, they put it on a metal post. It's a very interesting place, this Cooper PD is. The flies are already starting. I need to start saluting now as I go more north. Alright, we just stopped. I want to check it out to see everything is in order. Obviously this made a difference. I'm going to go inside the caravan and have a look. Hopefully it is hopefully these red sands didn't get in. That will be a big job. Yeah, the sand got into my tub, but that's okay. That's just the tub. I can deal with that. We got a little bit on the foots. Okay. All right, we can live with that. Oh crap, my laptop had fallen. Made a bit of a mess, but the rest is, oh, my laptop. Oh, let me take back. Looks like we are surviving. Looks like the seal for the van is good enough. Just only a little bit of this. Oh God, my white socks. Oh, dust inside. Okay. Alright, how did this dust get in? Okay, there's nothing on that. That track, this track is so bad. Look at it, I'm doing what, 17 kilometer speed, and if I increase a little bit, and look at that, 25 degrees. You can't even sit at 25. It is so bad. I got to do 5 kilometers in this speed. We have reached William Creek. It says 40k speed. I don't think I can do even 20k's. Look at this vibrating. Oh, so we are behind the William Creek Hotel is where the airport is. Can you hold it outside? So there's a caravan, not this caravan, the plain caravan is parked there. So they do scenic tours from here. So there is a runway behind the hotel, looks like. So it is warm, isn't it, Emma? Yeah. And by the way, Optus, I have full reception here in William Creek. So probably Telstra you should have too. We have arrived at William Creek Hotel. There is your diesel station. I'll go and put some diesel now itself.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah, I have arrived. Alright, I don't think anyone is here. You just have to pay it by credit. At William Creek, there's a hotel, there's fuel, so unleaded and diesel is available. It's interesting, this Chevy didn't come with a fuel cap that is lockable. So I have to buy a separate lockable key lock fuel cap for this truck. This pump, diesel pump, charge between $4 to $5, they say, for the privilege of using the pump. Diesel is $3.40. That's perfectly fine considering where it is. There's nothing much here to see. It's more of a place to stop on your journey. One thing to remember, there is no drinking water available here, so you must carry enough drinking water. Of course, you can buy a bottle of waters here from the hotel, but of course it's very expensive. And the other thing also is the water that in the caravan park that they give you to fill your van or use their shower, it's bore water. It is a bit salty. So when you go to brush your teeth or even shower, you will kind of taste it. It's not as bad as the seawater, but it has a salt taste in it. Other than that, nothing here to see. We'll stay overnight here and then we'll go to the next location. Thank you for watching and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.